You guys, welcome back. Some herbs are still very well alive in this increasingly cold weather. Today I'll be making ยำแหนมขาวทอด crispy fried rice balls that's crumbled into an aromatic textural salad packed with herbs for a robust bite. Let's get started. This is simply boiled pork skin that's been sliced thinly and is optional in this dish. I found this already prepared in the refrigerated section of my local Asian grocery store. For aromatics, ginger, roasted peanuts, and shallots. Also scallion and cilantro for freshness. For some heat, roasted chili flakes. And crispy fried dry chilies. This dish is best eaten with lots of herbs, and I'm in luck. Mint is still thriving late in this frosty season. The greens have been washed. Here's the mint. Wide lettuce leaves to make a wrap. Cilantro. And Vietnamese coriander. I'll show you how all of these ingredients will come together in a flavorful bite later on in this video. Let's make the rice balls. In goes egg, red curry paste. I'm using store-bought today, but I also have a recipe on how to make it from scratch on my channel. If you're using store-bought, be mindful of the saltiness and adjust the salty ingredients accordingly. Sugar, thinly sliced Kaffir lime leaves. Going to add a nice aroma and flavor. Grated coconut meat. You can grate it fresh yourself, but I found this convenient pack frozen in the freezer section of my local Asian grocery store, which will work just fine. Fish sauce. Combine them all together. And freshly steamed jasmine rice. The fresher and warmer it is, the easier they will form into balls. Shape them into balls about the size of a plum. Let's make a thin batter for these rice balls. It will hold them together and allow them to crisp up nicely. Heat up enough vegetable oil to deep fry on medium-high heat. Using this bamboo skewer method, if it forms bubbles around the skewer like this, the rice balls are ready to go in. Coat with the batter and into the oil it goes. Make sure not to overcrowd them. Turn them once in a while so that they can fry evenly. In about 10 minutes or so, they will deepen in color like this. You'll notice the outside getting crispy. Scoop them out and allow them to cool down a bit. These extra crisp are delicious and will be added into the salad too. In goes 3 or 4 rice balls. Break them up a bit like this. This is Nam, cured pork sausage. A slightly sour taste and has a bouncy texture and contains slices of pork skin inside. Usually comes with a few chilies too. Tear it into pieces. You can see the slices of pork skin here. Don't be alarmed. It's very tasty. In goes some scallion and cilantro. Shallots, roasted peanuts, pork skin. You can customize what you add in here and the amounts that you add. Roasted chili flakes, season with fish sauce and sugar to taste, and a squeeze of lime. The overall taste should be savory, sour, and a little sweet. Ginger. Plate it up. Add in some crispy fried dried chilies. And a wedge of lime. Here we have it. ยำแหนมข้าวทอด The best way to eat it is to make a lettuce wrap. Add in some herbs to the lettuce. A crispy fried dry chili for some heat. The crispy rice salad. Wrap it up and enjoy this textural, flavorful bite. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.